Stephen Hawking, A Legacy of Brilliance and Resilience. Stephen William Hawking, January 8, 1942, March 14, 2018, was one of the most renowned theoretical physicists and cosmologists of the 20th and 21st centuries. His groundbreaking work on black holes, cosmology, and quantum gravity has left an indelible mark on the field of theoretical physics. Despite being diagnosed with a debilitating motor neuron disease, Hawking's intellectual contributions and popular science writings brought complex scientific concepts to a global audience, making him a celebrated figure in both academic and public circles. Early life and education. Hawking was born in Oxford, England, during World War II. His parents, Frank and Isabel Hawking, were both academically inclined, with his father being a research biologist. The family moved to St. Albans, where Hawking attended St. Albans School. From an early age, he showed a keen interest in science and the universe, often engaging in discussions and experiments with his friends. In 1959, at the age of 17, Hawking enrolled at University College, Oxford, where he initially faced some academic difficulties due to his casual attitude towards studies. However, his natural intelligence and deep understanding of complex mathematical concepts soon became evident. He graduated with a first-class B.A. Hons D degree in physics in 1962 and went on to pursue graduate studies at Trinity Hall, Cambridge, under the supervision of the renowned cosmologist Dennis Sciama. Onset of ALS. While at Cambridge, Hawking was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, a form of motor neuron disease, at the age of 21. Doctors initially gave him a prognosis of just a few years to live. Despite this grim diagnosis, Hawking continued his research and completed his Ph.D. in 1966 with a thesis on properties of expanding universes. His determination and ability to adapt to his physical limitations were nothing short of remarkable, and he continued to work prolifically even as the disease progressed. Scientific contributions. Hawking's work fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. Some of his most significant contributions include black hole thermodynamics. One of Hawking's most famous discoveries is Hawking radiation, which he proposed in 1974. This groundbreaking theory suggested that black holes are not entirely black, but emit radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This discovery was revolutionary because it linked quantum mechanics, general relativity, and thermodynamics, providing a possible pathway towards a unified theory of quantum gravity. The singularity theorems. In collaboration with Roger Penrose, Hawking worked on the mathematical foundations of general relativity. Their singularity theorems, developed in the late 1960s and early 1970s, showed that under certain conditions, the universe must have begun as a singularity, a point of infinite density and curvature. This work supported the Big Bang theory and provided insights into the nature of black holes and the origins of the universe. The no-boundary proposal Hawking, along with James Hartle, proposed the Hartle-Hawking state in 1983. This model posits that the universe has no initial boundaries in time or space, suggesting that the universe is finite but unbounded. This idea attempts to explain the conditions before the Big Bang and provides a framework for understanding the universe's origin in a way that avoids the singularities predicted by classical general relativity. Popular science and public engagement Hawking was not only a brilliant scientist, but also an exceptional communicator. His book, A Brief History of Time, published in 1988, became an international bestseller and brought complex concepts in cosmology and theoretical physics to a wide audience. The book remained on the British Sunday Times bestseller list for a record-breaking 237 weeks and has sold millions of copies worldwide. His ability to explain abstract scientific ideas in an accessible and engaging manner made him a beloved figure beyond the scientific community. Hawking continued to write several other popular science books, including The Universe in a Nutshell, 2001, A Briefer History of Time, 2005, and The Grand Design, 2010, co-authored with Leonard Mlodinow. These works further cemented his reputation as a leading science communicator. Personal life. Hawking's personal life was as remarkable as his professional achievements. He married Jane Wilde in 1965, and they had 3 children, Robert, Lucy, and Timothy. Despite his increasing physical limitations, Hawking's spirit and determination remained undiminished. Jane's support was crucial during the early years of his illness, but they eventually divorced in 1995. Hawking later married Elaine Mason, one of his nurses, though this marriage also ended in divorce. Hawking's life was documented in various media, including the 2014 biographical film The Theory of Everything, based on Jane Hawking's memoir. The film, starring Eddie Redmayne as Hawking, brought his life story to a broader audience and won several awards, including an Academy Award for Best Actor. Later years and legacy. Despite his illness, Hawking remained active in research and public engagement throughout his life. He held the position of Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the University of Cambridge from 1979 to 2009, a prestigious post once held by Isaac Newton. He continued to travel, lecture, and collaborate on research projects until his death in 2018. Hawking's legacy extends beyond his scientific contributions. He inspired millions with his perseverance, intellectual rigor, and ability to overcome adversity. His work has had a profound impact on the fields of theoretical physics and cosmology, and his efforts to popularize science have educated and inspired a global audience. Honors and awards. Throughout his career, Hawking received numerous awards and honors, including the Albert Einstein Medal, the Copley Medal, and the Presidential Medal of Freedom. He was also a Fellow of the Royal Society and a member of the Pontifical Academy of Sciences. Despite not receiving a Nobel Prize, largely because his theoretical predictions have yet to be directly observed, his influence and contributions to science are undeniable. Conclusion. Stephen Hawking's life and work exemplify the power of human curiosity, intellect, and determination. His contributions to our understanding of the universe are monumental, and his ability to communicate complex ideas to the public has left an enduring legacy. Hawking's story is one of triumph over adversity, and his work continues to inspire future generations of scientists and thinkers.